All right, so if I were you and if I were working in a group of three to set up the presentation, I would think like this graphic organizer here. So in other words, you guys would start your presentation with kind of a central idea, which is what all three of you are going to work to support throughout your little miniature presentations. So this one says, the best way to find bias is to closely look at word choices. Okay, so after you kind of state your central idea, then each person can take a turn and kind of go through their own experiences of this assignment or this unit. So in other words, let's say that Jane starts off, she says the central idea. Hi everybody, we're here today to tell you that the best way to find bias is to closely look at word choices. I want to start by sharing with you my experience with the A3 bias news article assignment, and then Jane can go into her, a little summary of what she's learned and what she feels like she's taken from that assignment and how it supports the central idea. Then let's say Jenny goes next, and Jenny says, oh yeah, I did A4, that during that Dumbledore assignment, the assignment really showed me that a writer's perspective impacts blah, 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 blah. And then we'll say Jasmine is last, and Jasmine, this is a group of three, says, I want to talk to you about assignment number 6, the truth ad. I really noticed that the most obvious, whatever, and kind of just explain, all right? And that's it. So you have one central idea, and then with you and your group, you each take turns kind of explaining why that central idea is decent and solid and important, okay? And that's it. That's all you have to do. So I'll give you a blank template with this, and if it's only you and one other person, then you're going to delete part of the template. Okay, you don't need to have 3 things. You just can have your 2 things. Okay? Good luck.